Deep in South America, there's a country bursting with life, Colombia. It has towering mountains, lush rainforests, and sparkling coastlines. But hidden within are some truly breathtaking places that will take your breath away. Are you ready to explore? Let's journey together to discover Colombia's most spectacular scenery. We'll trek through ancient rainforests, stand before towering wax palms, and gaze upon rivers of unbelievable color. Adventure awaits. Imagine a place where the jungle meets the sea. That's Tayrona National Park. Along the Caribbean coast, this park is a wonderland. Towering trees form a canopy above. Monkeys swing through the branches, walk along pristine beaches. The sand is white and soft. The water is crystal clear, a beautiful turquoise blue. Take a dip and cool off. You might even spot colorful fish darting through the coral reefs. Tayrona is a true paradise. High in the Andes mountains lies a magical place, a place where nature's grandeur is on full display and the beauty of the landscape takes your breath away. Cocora Valley. Here, the landscape is dominated by giants, not people, but trees. These giants are the wax palms, standing tall and proud, creating a surreal and enchanting atmosphere. These are wax palms, the tallest palm trees in the world. Their presence is both majestic and awe-inspiring as they reach for the sky with an elegance that is unmatched. Imagine looking up at these giants. The feeling of standing beneath them is humbling, as if you are in the presence of ancient guardians of the valley. They can grow over 200 feet tall. These towering trees create a unique and dramatic skyline, making Cocora Valley a truly special place. Their trunks are slender and smooth, almost like columns of a natural cathedral. The texture and color of the trunks add to the visual appeal, making them a photographer's dream. Their leaves form a crown at the very top, creating a canopy that sways gently in the breeze. This crown of leaves is not just beautiful, but also provides a habitat for various species of birds and insects. The air is cool and misty, adding to the mystical ambience of the valley. The mist rolls in and out, creating an ever-changing landscape that feels alive and dynamic. It feels like you've stepped into a fairy tale. The combination of towering wax palms, cool mist, and the lush green valley creates a scene that is almost too beautiful to be real. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the wonders of nature and find peace and tranquility. Visitors from all over the world come to Cocora Valley to experience its magic. Hiking through the valley, you can feel the connection to nature and the sense of adventure that comes with exploring such a unique landscape. The valley is also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. From colorful birds to unique insects, the biodiversity here is incredible. Each step you take reveals something new and fascinating. As the day comes to an end, the valley is bathed in the golden light of the setting sun. The wax palms glow with a warm hue, and the entire landscape takes on a magical quality. It's a sight that stays with you long after you've left. And when night falls, the valley transforms once again. The clear mountain air reveals a sky full of stars, twinkling above the towering palms. It's a perfect end to a day in one of the most enchanting places on earth. Some choose to camp in the valley, spending the night under the stars. The experience of waking up to the sight of the wax palms and the sound of nature is truly unforgettable. As the sun rises, the valley is once again enveloped in mist, creating a serene and peaceful start to the day. The beauty of Cocora Valley is ever present, from dawn to dusk. Cocora Valley is a place of wonder and beauty, where nature's grandeur is on full display. It's a destination that captures the heart and soul, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. Section 4. The River of Five Colors, Cano Cristales. Hidden deep in the Colombian jungle is a secret so mesmerizing that it has earned the nickname the River of Five Colors. This river is unlike any other in the world. Its waters shimmer with a spectrum of colors, creating a natural masterpiece that seems almost otherworldly. This is Cano Cristales, also known as the River of Five Colors. Located in the Serranía de la Macarena province of Meta, Colombia, this river is a true natural wonder. But how can a river have five colors? The answer lies in a unique combination of biological and geological factors. For a short time each year, something magical happens. From late July to early November, the river undergoes a transformation that is nothing short of spectacular. A special type of plant, known as Macarenia clavigera, blooms in the riverbed. These aquatic plants are the key to the river's vibrant colors. This plant turns the water a vibrant red. The red hue is most prominent, but it's not the only color you'll see. Combined with the blue water, green mosses, and yellow sand, the river becomes a living rainbow. The interplay of these colors creates a visual feast for the eyes. It creates a kaleidoscope of colors that dance and shimmer in the sunlight. The effect is so stunning that it's often described as a liquid rainbow. It's a sight you won't soon forget. Visitors from around the world come to witness this natural phenomenon, and it leaves an indelible mark on all who see it. The journey to Cano Cristales is not an easy one. It requires a trek through dense jungle and rugged terrain, but the reward is well worth the effort. Local guides lead the way, sharing their knowledge of the region's flora and fauna. They help visitors understand the delicate balance that allows this river to flourish. The surrounding jungle is teeming with life. From exotic birds to unique plant species, the area is a biodiversity hotspot. As the sun sets over Cano Cristales, the river takes on a different kind of beauty. The colors soften and blend, creating a serene and magical atmosphere. At night, the jungle comes alive with the sounds of nocturnal creatures. The stars reflect in the river, adding to the enchantment of this incredible place. Dawn brings a new day and a new perspective on Cano Cristales. The morning mist rises from the river, and the colors begin to re-emerge, ready to dazzle once again. As visitors leave, they carry with them memories of a place that seems almost too beautiful to be real. Cano Cristales is a reminder of the incredible wonders that nature can create. This river, with its 5 colors, is a testament to the beauty and diversity of our planet. It's a natural treasure that must be seen to be believed. So, if you ever find yourself in Colombia, make the journey to Cano Cristales. Witness the magic for yourself and be inspired by the wonders of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to one of the most beautiful rivers in the world. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the hidden gems of our planet. Section 5. A canyon carved by time, Chicamocha Canyon. Nestled in the heart of Colombia, Chicamocha Canyon is a testament to the relentless power of natural forces. Over millions of years, the elements have sculpted this magnificent landscape, creating a breathtaking spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. Prepare to be amazed by the power of nature. The sheer scale and beauty of Chicamocha Canyon are unparalleled. As you gaze upon its dramatic landscape, you can't help but marvel at the intricate patterns and formations that have been etched into the earth over eons. Chicamocha Canyon is one of the largest canyons in the world. Its vast expanse stretches as far as the eye can see, offering a panoramic view that is both humbling and inspiring. The canyon's immense size and depth make it a natural wonder that draws adventurers and nature enthusiasts from all corners of the globe. It stretches for over 125 miles. This incredible length makes Chicamocha Canyon a geological marvel, with its rugged terrain and steep cliffs providing a dramatic backdrop for exploration. The canyon's vastness is a reminder of the immense power of natural forces and the passage of time. The Chicamocha River winds its way through the bottom, a silver ribbon far below. This river has played a crucial role in shaping the canyon, carving its way through the rock and creating the deep, winding gorge that we see today. The river's journey through the canyon is a testament to the enduring power of water and its ability to transform the landscape. Stand on the edge and look out. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the grandeur of Chicamocha Canyon. The sweeping views and dramatic vistas offer a sense of perspective that is both exhilarating and humbling. It's a place where you can feel the raw power of nature and the passage of time. The canyon walls are steep and dramatic. These towering cliffs with their sheer faces and rugged edges are a testament to the geological forces that have shaped this landscape. The steep walls create a sense of awe and wonder as you contemplate the immense forces that have carved this canyon over millions of years. They're painted in shades of red, brown, and orange. The vibrant colors of the canyon walls are a result of the various minerals and sediments that have been deposited over time. These rich hues create a stunning visual tapestry that adds to the canyon's beauty and allure. The interplay of light and shadow on the canyon walls creates a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. You can feel the vastness of time. It's a humbling experience. Standing in the presence of such a monumental natural wonder, you can't help but feel a deep sense of connection to the earth and its history. The canyon's immense scale and timeless beauty serve as a reminder of the enduring power of nature and the passage of time. It's a place where you can reflect on the forces that have shaped our planet and the incredible journey that has brought us to this moment. Section 6. Which wonders will you discover? Colombia is a country of incredible beauty. From its lush rainforests to its towering mountains, there's something for everyone. Which of these breathtaking locations would you like to explore? The choice is yours. Section 7. Please like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this journey through Colombia's most scenic locations, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing adventures around the world.